Your Excellency and our former president, the former Vice President, ATIKU Abubakar and Sambo, let me very respectfully stand on all the existing protocols. Mine, I think it was a balancing that my father-in-law did, because actually the author is my father-in-law. Whenever I say, people will wonder how. While he was in Kanu as the area manager of FCT CRISIS, my father-in-law was in Lagos as the area manager of FCT CRISIS. So they are CRISIS family. And I know I bought a property in Lagos as a trader from FCT CRISIS. So that's my connection with him as a trader, not as a politician. Thank you for trying to enrich us with your book and everything. And it's good that people write so that we can learn a lot of experience, because what I've learned from you is quite deep. And it's one man who made me to travel all the way into Jigawa. When I came to Jigawa to meet him, I said, I'm in the capital. He said he's in his village. I must come to the village. And I drove from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. at night into the village. And I can say Jigawa is safe. Your Excellencies, the traditional ruler and the chairman of council, thank you for the good work. I have nothing to launch. All I can say is that my humble contribution is already in your account, because you gave us the account number, and I've paid my own. So you will see it there. I can't launch when my leaders are here, but you will see it. Once you leave here and open the account, you will see that the book is there. I will also buy some for the universities, various universities, which that will come separately from my launching today. Because we need students in school to read about people like you who have walked the journey. So they don't think, oh, you just leave school, you become governor, or you become president. There's a journey to it. Thank you, and God bless you.
And thank you very much, Your Excellency. Just in case there is no...